Okay, day 2 for VNL. Let's go! O, diba? Fresh pa kayo, mi. Unsa na lang ka ni Unya. Fit check. O, diba? Naka-Ishikawa shirt. And then, naka-Ran Takahashi. Pero wala si Ran nga. We're here, nasa MOA. Naglakad lang kami sa sobrang init. Tay-day! Kasama ko na naman si Not Yuki. Hopefully, panalo na naman tayo ngayon. Pasok na kami. Kaya kami maaga dito para dito sa merch. Plan namin bumili nung Japan na VNL shirt. Kaso, out of stock pa sila ngayon. So, 2 PM balik. Oh my God! My kilay is not kilaying. Ayun, nakalusot po ang aming. And then, next agenda namin is itong DIY Selfie Studio, 100 and 150. Naguguluhan po kami kung ano yung frame namin na gagamitin.
Here, 205, row I. Wave your hands, stop, stop, We've done it before, but we're going to go through all of them one at a time. Ito, simulan natin. Our first move. We're going to put 2 hands up in the air. This is when hands up. Can I see you guys? Put your hands up in the air, 2 hands up. And this is what we're going to do. And we all do it together. Let's start with our first one. Let's do it. Taas mga kamay. Let's do our monster block. Let's do it. The easiest one, we just clap our hands up in the air. This is our fireball! VNL, let's go! And now it's time to be the starting lineup for Team Japan!
Oy. Oh! Ay! Stop! Ay! 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 Just like that, tapos na yung PH leg ng VNL. So, pauwi na kami. At umuulan pa, so sobrang basa ko. Si Roel is hindi. Kasi sobrang basa-basa ko. Gabi, ngumiti si Yuki nung nasa basa. Tunaw na tunaw ako sa ngiti ni Yuki. I can't get over. Oh, umuulan pa talaga. Okay, after VNL game, fit check. Basang-basa. But, go! Diba na, parang nakwento ko ata kanina na gusto namin bumili ng VNL shirt. Pero hindi kami nakabili kasi nag-sold out. Kaya ito, yung blessing in disguise shirt. Ayan, nakakuha kami ng free shirt. This is from Capcom. So, it's Japan. And yung kang Ruel is Poland. So, ayan, meron na kaming memorabilia. Memorabilia! So, ayan, so perfect. O, diba?